She has become my role model on how to serve and how to give to others.
She has devoted so much of her time in life, work and mission to the betterment of children and families in our community.
An extraordinary woman that knows how to transform the way people see and approach children.
There was a young lady, and she came before Judge Lederman.
I just always felt like I didn't have a say in anything, so me going before her, I wasn't happy about it.
And Judge Lederman asked her, "What do you want to do?"
And I told her I wanted to go to college, and she was so excited about that.
Because of the way Judge Lederman was the first person that opened up themselves to her, she decided to go into law.
Just the conversation that we had that one day in her courtroom was what did it for me, that stuck with me.
She passed the bar and came back to Miami, and Judge Lederman tore her in.
I understand how important it is to know that you have somebody rooting for you and having your back.
I've been able to have a wonderful life with a loving family and a stable upbringing. I know I wouldn't have had that otherwise.
Judge Lederman is a wonderful judge if we're just talking about the way that she handles the courtroom.
She hears everybody's point of view. She really wants to hear what the guardian has to say about their children and their take on the case.
One of her famous statements is, "I want to hear from the guardian." At whatever point, she wants to hear from the guardian.
Whatever the situation is, she just had the ability to get things done.
I had a case where we had 2 kids. Judge Lederman listened to the guardian program. We got up there and we recommended that they go back to the home they were living in for over 8 years, where they felt safe. And the home was closed at the time. So Judge Lederman got on the phone, she made a call. The home's only licensed for 2 kids. She got it opened up for 4 and got the boys back into that home.
She's a person that is a grounded foundation.
I'd describe her as loving because everyone always looks at her as like so strong. Like there's also another part of that.
And I've always said this, and I've said it to her. When I walk in her courtroom, I'm at peace.
She was always being treated very nice, say thank you for what you're doing for their kids. Thank you for everything, with a lot of respect.
When I think about her, I just remember everything that she's done for me and just how kind she was in doing it and how honorable she was in her intentions and what she sought to do regarding my case.
I don't want to be selfish, but I'm going to miss her.
It was probably just a routine day for you, but I thank you for just taking the time to actually talk to me and not talk at me.
Thanks to her, our kids are happy because it was done the right way.
You told me that going forward, I was going to be great. And wherever your life takes you after your retirement, I know that you will be great.
Thank you, Judge Lederman, for all that you've done for me and hundreds of thousands of other kids.
I don't know, what do you say to somebody who's still going to be impacting community? She might not be on the bench, but she's still going to be involved.
So it's her turn, it's her time. And I'm pretty sure along the way, while she's doing all the things that she wants to be doing in retirement, she'll find a way to continue to help children.
I know she's not gonna stop fighting, I know.
The legacy that she has left for me is that I should continue, no matter what the situation.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you from the bottom of our heart.
And thank you for everything that you've done for all of us.